Okay, in this video I'm asked to graph the inequality y is less than -3 times open absolute value x minus 2 close absolute value plus 1. Okay, you may recall that in HK form I would have a open absolute value x minus h plus k, where h is the x component of the vertex and k is the y component of the vertex. So the opposite of this number will give me, the opposite of this number right here will give me the x component of the vertex. So this is x minus 2. I'll treat this as -2, and to get the x component I simply switch the -2 to a +2. And then the y component, take this number, keep it the same, and it's 1. So my vertex is 2, 1 right here. Now, to find out where to go next, I simply look at the a value, this -3, and that tells me the slope of the right-hand branch of the equation, or to the right of the vertex. So it's -3, so I'm going to go down 3, 1, 2, 3, right 1, and repeat the process. Down 3, 1, 2, 3, right 1, and I have the right-hand branch. Now the left-hand branch is going to be the opposite of that. Let me review here, just pause for a moment, how I went down 3 right, how I knew to do that. So this is -3, which is equal to -3 over 1. Because 3 divided by 1 is 3. So this tells me I had to go down 3, and this tells me I had to go right 1. So the slope to the left is going to be the opposite of this number. Instead of -3, it'll be +3, and that's 3 over 1. And you could go, if you go up 3, right 1, you wouldn't be going with the axis of symmetry. We have to match these points across the axis of symmetry. So I'm going to go down 3, 1, 2, 3, left 1. Down 3, 2, 3, left 1. So I have the points I need to connect. Now I need to decide whether I connect with a solid line or a dotted line. Well, it's strictly less than. So the points actually on these on the graph of the absolute value here are not solutions. So I use a dotted line to indicate that these points are not solutions because I have to be less than this. I can't be less than or equal to. Okay, and I'm supposed to be y is less than this graph. So where are the y values less than these numbers here? So I'm looking for y value, at this point I'm looking for y value less than -2. Well, that's of course all these values down here. Where's y less than -5? Well, that's all these values down here. So it's pretty clear where I need to shade. I need to shade in this region. This will be less than the absolute value. Okay, and I have the graph of this absolute value inequality.